In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
Everywhere I go, when I travel, people say, oh, they see the logo, you work for Rheem, you work for Rheem. And they ask me a little bit about the company, and I like personally knowing that we're part of that sustainability, being smart now to help our future.
Well, I think it was real easy to implement was just to get our employees on board. When we told them about it, they were equally as excited. So that in itself just made the awareness that people wanted to be involved.
I like the fact that we're thinking more globally about our environment as well, not just the profit for Rheem.
Today we hired an outside independent consulting firm to validate what we're intending to do in our waste reduction program.
Those of us that are here every day, we may walk by things that we don't even think about, just as you would anywhere, things that you see every day. So I think it'll be a great opportunity for us to learn the things that we can do and implement immediately, and then also to be a part of that long-term planning as well.
I mean, we think we know what we're doing, we think we are doing things correct, and I'm sure we're doing plenty. So hopefully from what we learn from them, we'll put in a plan and we're going to move forward, and again, it'll be a motivator for our people.
So I think that when things unannounced come like that and everybody's open to that, that shows too that we're willing and we want to hear and certainly want to take the right measures and steps in this initiative.
As I walked around today and we didn't announce that we were having an audit, I see people still wearing that shirt. It's a reminder to everyone. It's more than just a t-shirt with our company logo of sustainability and recycling on it. It's a reminder, and it reminds us every day.
I'm very proud to be able to say that I work for Rheem and that we do have that initiative as a company.